of Cooking with Your Girl. On today's video, we're going to be making a stupid, simple recipe. Yes, it is very easy. It's like 2 ingredients and it's not going to take that long. But I decided to do it anyway because I thought it was important to show people that you don't have to be elaborate or do these elaborate recipes every day on a vegan diet. You just have to create a healthy relationship with plant-based whole foods, and you can eat large quantities of plant-based whole foods, which I think a lot of people struggle with. I always get questions like, do you have a lot of energy on a vegan diet? Or, I think people don't understand that you can eat a lot on a vegan diet. They just restrict themselves too much because they're coming from a standard American diet where restricting yourself is the hot thing. On the vegan diet, you do not have to restrict yourself. You can eat as many plant-based whole foods as you want. If you want to lose more weight, then there are certain vegan diets that you want to follow. But like I said, you do not have to do a lot. You do not have to go to Whole Foods every day or every week. You can go to your local grocery store and get broccoli and potatoes, boo, and call that lunch. So that's what we're doing today. This is my go-to lunch. Super cheap, super easy, but it's still so good. So yeah, I'll drop you guys down so y'all can see what I'm doing, even though it's easy as hell. Okay, girl. Okay, I told you guys this recipe is so super easy. So you'll just need potatoes. I'm using 3 red potatoes, and you'll need a stalk of broccoli, and that is it, you guys. And we're just gonna cook it like that. I'm gonna cut them up and put that in this pot. Put some water in there. I'm gonna turn this pot on like medium high, and I like to use lemon and pepper seasoning. Put that in the water. I like to flavor my water just because I feel like whenever it cooks the potatoes and the broccoli, it actually gets in there with the flavor, so you're not actually missing out on any flavor. It's all getting infused in the potatoes and the broccoli. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this broccoli up and these potatoes up real quick. I will definitely speed this up because y'all know how to cut vegetables by now, girls. So hold up, I'm gonna cut it up. Cut the potatoes and cut the stalk of the broccoli and put that in there, and we're gonna let that cook first because that needs to cook longer. And then after about 2 minutes of cooking, we're gonna go ahead and put the rest of the broccoli in there, the florets in there, and that'll be it, you guys. It should take about maybe 7 minutes in total to cook. So like I said, it is so super easy and the perfect lunch because it doesn't take that long to cook at all. It's so foggy. Oh man, look like a ghost chef. Okay, so now I'm going to add the rest of the broccoli in there. I would show you guys, but the camera is just going to fog up. So we're just going to leave the rest of the broccoli in there for another 3 minutes, and that's pretty much it. And it'll be done after that. And y'all will see what it's going to look like. It's going to look good. This is so good and it's so simple. It's crazy. I don't know why people be tripping about like they don't know what to eat. Girl, there's so many good starches and vegetables and beans that you can just eat so much of and you don't have to feel guilty about. So girl, just try it. Y'all like this? Yes or no? I like it. I think it's cute. I did it myself, of course, because I'm too cheap to go and get my hair done. So yeah. Okay, you guys, these are what they're looking like after they have finished cooking. Looks like some regular potatoes and broccoli. So we're gonna go ahead and go up for the taste test real quick. Okay, so now we up for the taste test, you guys. It's still hot as hell, so. and pepper is so good in there. I love potatoes so much. But yeah, like I said, I wanted to do this video because I know people, they just don't know, or they've never really just eaten whole foods before, so they don't know how to combine them. They don't know how to get full off of them. I would recommend make sure that you're eating your starches, potatoes, sweet potatoes, brown rice pastas, a lot of beans and whatnot, and then add vegetables to those things. And you can make simple, quick meals out of them, and then you get full off of them, and you also have tons of energy because you're eating food and you're not restricting yourself. And so it keeps your body regular, and it keeps your all the fiber and stuff you get from the vegetables keeps you regular, and you eat more, so your digestive system is processing more through the fiber and stuff is going through your system. And so you maintain your weight. If you want to gain weight, then of course just eat a little more than you usually do, but kind of just find your balance. That's all a vegan diet really is, and not everyone's the same, so you have to tailor it toward you and your lifestyle. But I just would recommend to eat. Make sure that you eat, and make sure that you eat enough food, and make sure that you're just not eating salads and stuff all day, because you're gonna burn out. Look at this broccoli, y'all. But yeah, this is my favorite meal. I love broccoli. I could eat a pot of broccoli all day, and then they keep me full. Like I said, the potatoes are great, and there's always a sale on potatoes. I got a big 5-pound bag, 2 big 5-pound bag, buy one get one free for these, so no excuse. Don't tell me it's expensive, because it's not. If you want the vegan, more expensive vegan products and to splurge on stuff like that, you can, but it's not a necessity. If you have the budget for it, then buy it sometimes. If you don't, then stick to Whole Foods. Whole Foods are not expensive, girl, okay? So anyway, So anyway, well, I finished chewing. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, stupid, simple recipe, and I hope it inspired you to be a little creative with different plant-based foods that you like, whole food, plant-based meals or whatever. You could always combine different whole foods together and come up with a really great meal that'll keep you full and keep you full of energy throughout the day. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye. I probably got broccoli all in my mouth, but girl, it's okay.